up, Team DMS? It's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. Today's video is a short little video just showing you guys how I do beach curls with a flat iron. This technique can be done with the flat iron or with the curler. I will do another video in the future showing you guys how to do it with the curler. So you're basically, I'm doing like diagonal partings, and you're basically just, I spray a little bit of Kenra's hot spray. It's not a spritz or anything like that, but it does help keep the curls from the humidity and they don't fall as fast. So you're just gonna take the flat iron and you're pretty much just curling it, and you're not curling the end. So I did straighten it out a little bit because our hair is naturally curly. So you take the flat iron, you curl it, and then you leave the ends out and just pull down, and that's it. When you break it up, you got a beach wave. It's very, very easy to do. Now it's easy. I used to struggle with doing these, but I guess because, you know, black girls ain't wearing no beach waves. But lately, we getting into the little, you know, white girl look. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of Kenra's hot spray. Make sure you pull it tight. Take the flat iron, and I'm gonna do it slow so you guys can see. You're making a full turn at the base. The bottom you don't curl at all, and you just pull down.
Team DMS.
Me twice.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
And the Kenra hot spray you can get at Cosmoprof if you have one in your area. I will try to find a link, so be sure to check out my Amazon links, and I think I should be able to find one in there, so you can just go right on there and grab it directly from my Amazon store. If not, You can use whatever you want, just not I wouldn't use a spritz or anything like this on the hair that would cause like a buildup or to make it hard, because these curls are not hard at all.
Team DMS.